Welcome, industry innovators and machinery mavericks. You're tuned into Glomacht's official channel, where expertise meets efficiency. Today, we're shedding light on successful trading in used industrial machinery, an invaluable strategy for those acutely aware of the demand for high-quality machines and the rewards of cost-efficient operations. The industrial sector thrives on quality machinery. But, investing in brand new equipment is not always a feasible option. It's here that used machinery takes center stage. Pre-owned, quality-assured machinery finds great demand in today's market, promising significant cost savings and faster delivery times. Success in used machinery trading lies in mastering a few key strategies. 1. Detailed and insightful market research. Knowledge is power in this domain. 2. Prioritize a thorough inspection of machinery. Avoid unplanned costs and ensure quality. 3. Forge relationships with trusted partners to guarantee a reliable transaction. 4. Track market trends to make informed decisions. 5. And lastly, don't shy away from negotiation. The right price can make all the difference. Learning from real-world examples always proves beneficial. Let's hear from industry experts who've navigated this terrain successfully. Their insights can serve as a roadmap for your own successful machinery trades. A few prudent steps can elevate your trading success. 1. Priming your machinery for sale. A well-maintained machine shows value. 2. Effective marketing and advertising. It's crucial to reach the right audience. 3. And finally, a smooth logistical transition promises a satisfied buyer and a successful sale. In closing, remember, used machinery trading offers an opportunity to leverage industry experience, economical buying decisions, and strategic selling. We heartily invite you to take your next trading leap with Glomacht. Whether you want to trade yourself using our network or whether you want to outsource this completely, we can support you. If you found value in our offering, don't forget to subscribe and keep abreast of our content. Happy trading, and until next time.